Hello my dear friends, I hope you're doing well. Today I will discuss about LLM chatbots, how to run them on your PC or on your laptops, best source to download models, model parameters, model quantifications, also system requirements for running these models. So stay tuned through this video, also next videos.
Table of contents for today's discussion. Types of artificial intelligence chatbots. Best source for downloading AI models. Model sizes. Model formats. Quantification levels and system requirements for model execution. Types of AI chatbots. Artificial intelligence chatbots can be categorized as online or offline, also known as local. Online chatbots, for example, launched by a large company, run on a server and are made available to users. Various types exist, such as ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT, you just need to enter the site chatopenai.com. After that, you can register on this website using your Google, Microsoft, Apple accounts, or your own email. Then, press sign up button. Now, as I said, you can register on this website using your Google, Microsoft, Apple accounts, or your own email. On using an email, also the password needs to be 12 characters. In this section, you need to verify your email. A link will be sent to your email for verification. You should click on the link. After that, your account will be verified. After opening the verification link, you will be redirected to this page where you need to enter your details and your date of birth. Then you need to click on Agree button. Now that I've logged into my account, we can write the prompt we need for execution. For example, I'm writing, "Tell me a story." As you can see, the story is being written. You have no language restrictions. You can write in any language. However, I have chosen English. Bard. The next site is Bard's site. It's sufficient to simply log into the site using your Gmail account. It's very easy. Now press sign in button. Then enter your Gmail account. We are logged in. Similar to the previous sites, enter your prompt. I have entered the prompt. Tell a story again. And Claude. Well, the last website is Claude. To use this website, enter your email and then input the numerical code sent to your email. Then click on Continue with Login Code. Like other sites, you need to enter your prompt in this section. Also, you can attach the PDF or text file that you need to use information from in your prompt. Again, I'm telling it to tell me a story. Websites provide information about other types. In the local section, specific programs are needed to run models, including LM Studio, Faraday, GPT-4all, and text generation web UI. Additional software can be found through searching. Best source for downloading AI models. The Hugging Face website is the recommended platform for finding various open source AI models. Model sizes. In the field of artificial intelligence technology, model sizes are indicated by terms like 7B, 13B, and 70B, representing the number of trained parameters. Larger parameter counts generally result in higher chatbot accuracy due to more extensive training data. Models were classified based on their accuracy, with 70B having the highest and 7B the lowest. Some smaller models perform well due to high-quality training data. Model formats. The local format for model use is GGUF, replacing the older GGML format introduced by the Llama CPP team for improved performance and optimization. Quantification levels for model compression. To reduce the number of required parameters for enhanced performance and accuracy, quantification levels such as Q1, Q6, and Q8, and more are employed. Higher quantization levels generally result in lower model quality. For general use, Q3 to Q6 is recommended, with Q5 being a personal suggestion. System requirements for local model execution. It's noteworthy that AI models can be run locally without the need for a GPU, using only a CPU with AVAX2 technology and sufficient RAM. The required RAM depends on the model size. For example, a 7B model needs approximately 5 to 8 gigabytes of RAM. The impact on RAM usage is influenced by both the level of quantization and the number of parameters. In this section, I attempted to introduce large language models such as ChatGPT, Bard, and Claude to you, as they were simpler and had no specific configurations. In future, I am planning to explain local models. Final words. The tutorial concludes with a commitment to keeping videos simple for broader accessibility. The hope is that the tutorial was enjoyable and beneficial to the audience. Thank you.